Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Lance Bay towards Bulls Bay. Entering Bulls Bay. To the left, you can find Bulls Bay Beach. The road sign on the left reads, "Welcome to Bulls Bay." Entering Lucea. The road on the right will take you to Spanish Hill and the Esher Primary School. On the left is Esher Housing Scheme and to the right is Providence. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.